Ito yung sa aking company before. May anti-piracy checklist kami. Now, ito po ay lumang version na po ito ha. Pero, yung sa inyo pong barko o inyong company, medyo similar din po. Okay? Medyo similar po ang makikita ninyo. Okay? Ito yung sa aking previous company. And ito yung aming anti-piracy checklist. Applicable to all vessels entering the piracy risk area bound by the Red Sea, south of latitude 15 degrees north. Ito po yung Gulf of Oman. Okay? Tapos, ito yung kanilang coordinates. Ito po yung aming mga kailangang naka-check. Okay? Magsasubmit kami ng completed vessel movement registration form to our office at least 4 to 5 days before entering yung IRTC. Ano po yung IRTC? International Route and Transit Corridor. Yung maliit po na daan, doon po sa may bandang Middle East. Okay? Napakakipot po ng daan na yon. For registration with MS COA o CHOA as applicable.